Hi everyone, today we are making cloud bread. First, whip up 2 egg whites. When it starts to get bubbly, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and whip until it forms stiff peaks. Then, add 3 to 4 drops of food coloring, 15 grams of cornstarch, and fold it in until it is fully incorporated. After incorporating, add in 1 tablespoon of sprinkles for a pop of color. After stirring, transfer it on parchment paper on a pan. Next, shape your batter any size or shape you want. Put it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, you're done. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoy.